Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix PlanetScale login issues, organization access errors step by step clearly. First, ensure you are using the correct email address associated with your double-check your password for any typos or incorrect characters. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. Check your email inbox for the password reset link from PlanetScale. If you do not see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you receive the password reset email, follow the link provided to create a new password. After resetting your password, return to the login page and enter your credentials again. If you are still unable to log in, verify that your account is active and not suspended. You can do this by reaching out to PlanetScale support for assistance. Ensure that you are part of the correct organization associated with your account. Log into PlanetScale and navigate to your account settings to verify your organization access. If you are not listed under the proper organization, contact your organization's admin for help. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can try using a different browser or device to see if the problem persists. Check if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance announcements on the PlanetScale status page. If the issue remains unresolved, consider reaching out to PlanetScale support for further troubleshooting. Provide them with as much information as possible, including error messages and screenshots if available. Keep an eye on your email for updates or responses from the support team. Following these steps should help you resolve your PlanetScale login issues related to organization access errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.